Hello, this is Greg Allison with Green Greg's Garden Worm Farm, coming to you almost sunset on 20 March 2021, first day of spring. And I'm here to give you a assessment of the efficiency of the sled bed worm beds. Now, as you can see, the sun is setting. Now, I have actually 16 of these that I've actually been raising worms in. And I started this several months ago, as you know. And I put some worms in all of them. Now, I had somebody that really wasn't taken care of, and my worm population had diminished some, but it is resurgent. The good thing is I see no signs of moles inside of any of these raised beds. They get in, sometimes if they can climb, they'll get in a plywood bed, not as likely. I thought my 10 tuna can beds back here in the ground wouldn't get any worms, moles in them, but that last one over there did. So I got to find out how the moles got in it and stop that up. But I have worms in every bed that I had put worms in, and they're doing pretty well. Now, some of these beds I'm planning to put worms in. There's just no worms put in them yet. I'm waiting on this compost to break down a little better. This is all tree wood chips and tree leaves and limbs and stuff like that. This will make the best compost in the world because it won't have any weed seeds in it, and it's going to be highly nutritious for the garden, because it's all coming from the roots of trees. Where trees pull deep and get the minerals that are deep in the ground. So that's almost as good as azomite. maybe as good or better, because it's got all the minerals pulled deep down. I have to put some calcium carbonate, which I'll use pure crushed Dolomite, to bring the pH up in those beds. But those are going to be the best beds. I'm just letting that wood decompose a little bit more. Of course, the worms, when they get in there, will rapidly advance that decomposition. So what I'm finding is a pretty good success. These beds should last me years and years and years, unlike the plywood beds. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the efficiency of these raised bed, these sled bed worm beds. They're working great. I had worried that the worms would crawl out of them. Now, it may be this summer I might have soldier fly problems in them, because they might be able to get in a little easier to these than the plywood boxes. They have got in my tuna can some, but I got to feed these worms here. But this one, there's about 3 of them that don't have a whole lot of worms. This has got some worms that they weren't going deep because I was digging here a minute ago. But you can see, I guess I started diving down because I was digging them. But you can see the worms in there. Those are my worms. But there's about 3 of them that don't have a whole lot of worms, and there's one other thing. This one's one of them. It's got some worms. So by and large, what I have found is that I think these are a success, and I'm definitely going to do more of them. I've got 8 more totes I'm going to cut up, and by the time I do that, I don't think I can really accommodate any more on this property. I might could put some on the other side of my hole back there. I could probably accommodate a few more. But I'm about done with the production of the raised bed worm beds. I'm going to rebuild some plywood beds here real soon. You can see that. So, to watch me build beds of other types, I'm going to make beds out of freezers and refrigerators and bathtubs too. So if you want to see all that, please subscribe to my channel. Bang the update notification bell and click all. There'll be more videos on worms coming, and I'll be selling worms again soon. This is 2021, so probably the later part of April. greengregs.com, www.greengregs.com. I'll put the website back up and put worms back on sale. So look forward to that. To help my channel out now, you can go to True Leaf Market. It's time to buy seeds right now for your garden. If you're going to microgreens, you can be growing year round in your house. And they do sell those too, and all the supplies are grown. True Leaf Market. Links in my channel notes and the pin notes that I put below this video. So check out True Leaf Market. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the update notification. Bang the bell and click all. That's what you got to do. Many more videos to come about the greenhouse. I'm trying to get an orchard started back between here and the greenhouse. About the garden. Be a lot more of that to come. But I also do videos about what's going on in the world. A whole lot of them actually right now, because it's good to keep your eyes wide open and head on a swivel, so it helps you know what's coming at you, because it is a proposition, my channel, to help you survive, thrive, and stay out of the hive. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.